All right, y'all. Some people call it pralines, some people call it pralines, but see me, I call it pecan candy. Whatever you call it, I'm telling y'all, it's pressure. Let's get into it. So boom, combine granulated sugar and brown sugar. Remember, if it ain't sweet, it ain't a treat. Come with some evaporated milk and buku condensed milk. Go ahead and mix it till everything is well combined. Then we're gonna add some butter in there. Set that on the stove, then we're gonna come with our pecans. And yes, it's called pecans, not pecans. Argue with your mom. Now, some people like to keep their pecans whole. Me personally, I like to chop them up a little bit. I chop some and I keep some whole. Again, it's your preference. Do what you like. Go ahead and put that to the side. Now, for the most accurate results, make sure you use a candy thermometer. We're going to put this on the stove on medium-low heat. Go low and slow like you're making a roux. It should thicken as you go. And while that's going, get a pan and line it with parchment paper or cooking spray. Once the candy hits 235 to 240 degrees, remove it from the heat and add as many pecans as the Lord allows. Throw in some vanilla extract and then we're going to mix this till it starts to thicken. Usually you'll scoop out individual candies, but we're going the easy route. We're going to pour it all up in there. Make sure it's nice and even. Now I'll take this spatula over a cake batter spatula any day. We're going to let this cool till it's hardened all the way, chop it up into individual pieces, and just like my name, you're all done.